Greetings, everyone. I am Francis, and I will be taking you through how to create account in Mnotify, a platform that will enable you to send a message to as many people as you want at a time. Why do you even have to learn about Mnotify? That is BULK SMS. It plays an important role in our daily activities. Taking, for instance, you want to send a message to a group of people, that is sending us the same message to a group of people. Let's say it is a festive season, you want to send greetings to your contacts list. Once you type one message, you can send that message to all the people that you have their contact. And also, you can also use that same platform to send messages to your customers. Maybe there is change in prices of commodities, and you want to communicate to your customers so that the next time they visit you, they will be well informed. And you can also send it as an institution. You can send a message as an institution or as an individual. Why am I saying this? Maybe you see how messages are received from our network operators and then other corporate bodies. Nobody will be able to reply you, and the title will be your name or maybe the school. If it is a PTA meeting, the title of the message can be the name of your school, and then you type what you want to communicate with the parents. Yes, so you will go straight to our web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can as well use any other web browser that you want. You can use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Safari, UC browser, Opera Mini, Mozilla Force, and what of you. So I will be starting with my own. Please look through, follow the mouse pointer, and do exactly what I do. Alright, so we are to launch our web browser. I will be using Microsoft Edge. You can also use any available web browser that you have on your phone or your computer. But I'm using Microsoft Edge. So I said we will be using Mnotify platform to create our account. So we are to type Mnotify in the search bar. So you type in Mnotify. Then you press enter. You scroll and then you select Mnotify BMS. All right. So since it is our first time using this platform, we need to register. But if we are to have the logins already, or we have already registered or created account in Mnotify, we will log in. All right. So it has opened to a login interface, but this is not what we want because we are first time users. We need to create or sign up so that after that we can then sign in or log in. So we will use the sign up instead of the login. So you click on sign up. Now, all right, so we have this interface. You have to type your phone number here without the zero. Now, the next step is we to type the email address. So for me, I have my own email address here. So I'll just click on it and use it. You don't have it. So you have to type your email address there. After that, then you type a password of your choice. So I'm typing my, I can change it anytime. So after that, then you type the same password that you typed here. you'll confirm it here. So you do. All right. So I'm done with my phone number, email address, password, and I have confirmed it here. Now look here. I have a referral code here. You check it, and then over here you type Mnotify dash 991526. The Mnotify, it is in uppercase letter. It is capital letters. Mnotify dash 991526. Then you come here and then agree to the terms of service. So you check here. Now we are done. We are to continue. Now a confirmation code or an OTP will be sent to your phone number. So you check your SMS for the code and enter it here. So then automatically your account has been created. Now send message, proceed. There's the platform. So now this is your interface, and you have to update your profile. What is the use of the creation of this account? So either you are using it for individual assignment or individual purposes, or for corporate purposes. That one depends on you. So for me, individual. So here you type your full name, the first name. So BULK SMS. Your industry. Let me say education. My email address is already captured here. How did you hear about us? Then you go through and then select how you heard about Mnotify. Either it is through a friend, social media, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, advertisement, or other. So you can probably choose through a friend. Yeah. Your date of birth, 1927. Please type your own. Type your own date of birth. Don't copy me. Yeah, we know me and at the same time. So type your own date of birth. That's 09. All right. So now I save. Hey, Ghana network is networking. Wow. Come on, save. It is taking years. Okay. So that's it. You save it, and that is all. All right, success. Me, I'm already into it. So you can as well skip it. No, skip top. Now this is the page. This is the page. This is your dashboard. And so once you are done with the update of your dashboard, you can't just start sending message to people. You need a sender ID. What is the sender ID? You see, when messages are received from our network operators or other corporate bodies, as I said earlier on, you see, you have their inscription. That is mobile money, Airtel Tigo, Telecel, and such messages, you can never reply them. So this is how your message will also look like. But the sender ID is what normally comes on top of the message. Let's say MTN mobile money, MTN Ghana, Telecel. Those are the sender IDs. So you will need to create a sender ID before you can continue with sending message to as many people as you want at the same time. So how do we do that? How do we create a sender ID? All right, look here, follow the mouse pointer. You see add sender ID here. You add. Then you type the name that you want to use as the sender ID. So me, I want to use BULK SMS. Purpose. Messages. Then register sender ID. You can also type what you want to use as the sender ID. And also message, what is the purpose of you creating that sender ID? What do you want to use it for? Then you describe it here. But me, I have just stated that I'm using it for messages. So that is it. So let's wait whilst it is registered. And note, it won't be registered instantly. It won't be registered instantly. It said sender ID successfully registered. But sometimes it will be on hold. It will be pending approval, depending on the type of sender ID that you choose. So for my own, sender ID successfully registered, close. So it is registered here. Now I can start to send messages to people that I want. Lest I forget, sometimes the sender ID you choose will not be automatically approved. They will have to send you a message. Maybe they will send you a message that the sender ID you chose has been declined. That doesn't mean that you can't use it. Maybe it is used already. But if it is still available, once they send you a message that the sender ID you chose has been declined, they will give you a number to call. Then they will be asking you some questions. Once you are able to provide answers to the questions that they ask, then they can approve it for you to begin using it. So, me like this, choosing BULK SMS, though it is ticked there, but the probability of them sending me that message that it has been declined is very high. They can send it later because BULK SMS, they are into BULK SMS. So why should you also take a sender name BULK SMS? If it was to be just a name, Francis, Justice, Asana, Anane, and the rest, they will have no option than to approve it for you. So it depends on the type of sender ID that you choose. You can't just choose Ghana Education Service as a sender ID and then they will approve it for you just like that. A sender ID like MTN Mobile Money and they will just approve it for you. Why are you using such names or such sender IDs? MTN or Mnotify. Under no circumstance will they approve it for you automatically. They will have to contact you. And with that, they will give you a number to call. You just call, explain things to them. If it is tangible enough, they will approve it for you. Why not? Other than that, Charlie, forget it. They won't approve it. So, we will probably come back and then begin on how to send a message. You will need the contacts of your people. So for now, organize the contacts that you want to send messages to. Write them somewhere or type them somewhere. In our next video, you will learn how to send the message to these people. Thank you and goodbye for now.